Looking to grow your wealth and secure your financial future? In this video, I'll share the best long-term investment strategies for beginners, so you can start building wealth the smart and sustainable way. Let's get started. Long-term investing is one of the safest and most effective ways to grow your wealth. Instead of chasing quick gains, long-term investors focus on consistent and sustainable growth. Here's why it works. Market trends favor long-term growth. The stock market has historically gone up over time. Less stress, you don't have to worry about daily price swings. Compounding power, reinvested earnings help multiply your wealth exponentially. Index funds track major markets like the S&P 500 Islamic and Stocks Europe Islamic Index. ETFs, exchange-traded funds, offer instant diversification across multiple stocks. They have low fees and consistently outperform most individual investors. Best ETFs for beginners. S&P 500 Islamic ETF. MSCI World Islamic ETF. Stocks 600 Healthcare ETF. Instead of investing all your money at once, DCA means investing a fixed amount regularly, for example monthly. This reduces the risk of buying at a market peak and helps smooth out volatility. Example, investing $100 every month into an ETF for 30 years could make you a millionaire. Dividend stocks provide passive income and steady long-term growth. The best companies increase their dividends yearly, helping your wealth grow. Top dividend stocks for stability: Apple, tech leader with strong growth. Johnson & Johnson, healthcare giant with steady dividends. Procter & Gamble, reliable consumer goods company. Reinvesting dividends accelerates wealth building. Real estate provides long-term appreciation and passive income through rentals. Buying rental properties can generate cash flow while the value appreciates. Best strategies. Buy and hold rental properties, earn rental income while property value grows. Real estate investment trusts, invest in real estate without owning physical properties. Investing is a long-term game, don't panic when the market drops. Stick to your strategy, avoid emotional decisions, and focus on long-term goals. Time in the market beats timing the market. Want to start investing? Check the links in the description. Best long-term investment strategies recap. Index funds and ETFs, diversified, low-risk investing. Dollar cost averaging, DCA, invest regularly, minimize risk. Dividend stocks, earn passive income and reinvest for growth. Real estate, build wealth through property. Stay consistent, avoid panic selling and focus on the long term. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is now. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more investing tips.